All right, good vibes, everybody. Look, you all know how much I love music, so I wanted to come at y'all with a little project where anybody can be a part of the circle, part of the band. So if you haven't had time to learn a guitar or a drums or whatever instrument it is, here's a really good instrument for you to be able to pull up on any picking circle and you can be a part of if you can keep a beat. So let's get started. All right, I got some, this is 3/16 rope. It's just nylon, it's called white pea tie line. Now I bought enough to make about 500 of what I'm getting ready to show you. You don't have to do that. Any string would be fine. I bought a broomstick. It was 10 bucks. Just a regular, well, I say it's a broomstick. It's like a broomstick, like a tool handle. Okay. I got a wing nut or an eye bolt with a wing nut and a washer. And I have a tub. Okay. The only part of this that you're going to need any type of tools or anything will be right here. You need to drill you right in the center. You can see I've already pre-drilled me a 3/16, well, it's a 1/4 inch hole. That's what I've got. Okay, you just find the center. It's pretty simple, right? And then what you're wanting to do is you're going to take this I'm going to take that and you're going to stick it down through the hole. Now I'm just a little bit snug right there, but that's okay because I don't keep a hammer too awfully far away from me. So let's see. Okay, so stick that through there like that, right? Put your washer on, wing nut. Tighten it up on there, as you can see. All right, now your broom handle, do the same thing. Just pick you a comfortable spot and drill you a same size hole. Now, what you're going to want to do, you've got your rope, right? Tie your string to your bucket, right? Now, you're gonna have to cut, which you probably don't need a sword to do it with, but it's just what happened to be laying here. So that's what's gonna be done. And then, well, I say it's what's gonna be done. I guess it'll cut it. My son, all right, got that. Looks like I chewed it in half. Okay, don't use your son's machete. Don't use that, it's not sharp. Use a good sharp pocket knife. Aha, I say good sharp. All right, we got some frays. I guess I'll take and singe them off. All right, hold on 1 second, guys. Let me pause you. I'm gonna get out of the wind because all right, guys. Now you're gonna want to take and fish that through there. Okay, get it through to the other side, and then put you some type of knot. just something so it can't pull back. Can't pull back through for right now, because you're going to have to adjust your length. So what I did before I came on camera, you can see that there's a groove cut right here in your stuff, right? I just took that edge and laid it down on the floor and put my foot on top of it and cut me a groove right in the center. That's so that you can hook it right here on the lip, so you can get it right there on the lip of this thing, so that this will hook in and lock in right there, right? All right, so now that you've got that far and you've got you some extra string, now take that and you're going to pull it up to somewheres around snug, right? You can see what we're getting here. You can see where I'm getting at with this, right? So you're going to want your tension. Just got to keep messing with it till you get some tension on it. And then y'all can see what I'm working with here. So you just start messing with it until you start getting what you want out of it, right? But then you just pull it tight right here, not real tight, and then just kind of mark yourself, right? Right there's about where I want my knot. For my handle to go down on, right like that. And that way, you put that up there, and you put that right on your groove, like yay. Now I think I've got a little bit tight, maybe. So you can be part of the jam session now. So you can just keep messing with it, but either which way, you just keep messing with it until you get what you want out of it. But guys, it's about a nice beat, so you can be boom, 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 boom. And you just keep messing with it. You can hear it though. But that there is your very own thumper. Now, I did go buy a new galvanized tub, and I bought this handle, and of course I bought that roll of string, but golly, I could do 500 of these with it. So for around 50 bucks, you know what I mean, you can have your little something. And I'm telling you guys, this type of thing right here has been around forever, and it was just out of necessity, the need to want to make music, and because it makes you feel good. It's supper for your soul, you know. But I encourage you, make use something like this. You could roll up on any picking circle. Maybe you haven't had time in your life to learn an instrument, a guitar, or you know, a banjo, but you would be just as equal, just as important within that pick circle to have one of these as to have any other instrument. And all you have to do is be able to keep a beat and use a few small tools, you know, hand tools. You don't have to have nothing special. If you got a battery drill or some type of drill to drill you a hole, cool. If not, you can figure out another way to tie your rope, or however, you know. And you don't necessarily have to have a new galvanized tin. You can have an old one, whatever, you know. It doesn't have to be anything special. But for 50 bucks, less than 50 bucks, you know, you can have a little something to join in on a picking circle, and you would be surely invited, guys. So look, this is good vibes. I appreciate y'all being here, but I encourage you, make you too a thumper, man. guys. Always good vibes. I'll be seeing you. Always good vibes, guys. To all of my beautiful people. Y'all take care.